Just try to understand this. Very simple. Okay. Uh, just a second. Yeah. Sure. So now this is the color. I just take the black color. Maybe I just take this random style, random round shape here and there. Okay. Uh, like just take it this things. Sorry. A round shape. Okay. I take round shape and there's a randomly I could go in there here. Uh, where brush. Just take it like this. Okay. So just making here black. Okay, one, alt backspace, two, all backspace, three, all backspace. Like just I just randomly do this. Okay, here and there. Just think about that. But all shapes are uh, circle and this only, right? I just make it something. You can see over here. You just imagine some character over here. I make something like this. इसको बोलते हैं सिलुलेट कैरेक्टर डिजाइन. Okay, so you just see something character on it. देख के लग रहा है कुछ कैरेक्टर है यहाँ पे. Yes or no? So हाँ, यहाँ पे कैरेक्टर है ये. देखो मैंने सिर्फ सर्कल्स शेप्स के बनाया. So normally students are when doing something character designing देख के करोगे तो कोई चीज़ कॉपी कर सकते हो. ओके, लेकिन अगर तुम कुछ बनाना चाहते हो, ओके, सो यू कैन मेक इट समथिंग कैसे ड्राइंग. ओके, प्रेस कंट्रोल प्लस कंट्रोल बी. ओके, जस्ट टेक द न्यू लेयर. Okay. So just make something character like this. You can add something like this here, here. So this is some advanced level of any character design techniques without see anything. You just imagine your character. You can put the body, you can put this character's design, dress, okay, what you want, because it's a black only, right? It is a black only. So if, whatever you want, you can do any design on it, right? I just make it supposed to design like this. Okay. Maybe creating like this. Whatever you want. So this is called a cellulite techniques. Cellulite techniques are using the Disney. Make something, any characters randomly like this. Okay, just making this character supposed to have hanging, something like this. Okay, here something hanging. this is something doing watercolor, water, not color, which is doing water filling in the tree, something, the queen, Cantal Pinus. You can see over here there's, okay, like this. So basically we are using the basic set and creating this. This character, if you see this kind of character, the Rapunzel, Moana, the Disney character, if you see, they are using this kind of method using. Okay, is it correct? Understood how to make it? What is the process I maintained for this? Okay. We want to add something, add some scenery on it. So just go ahead to this. Okay. Suppose it is the water, it is the flower. Today's topic is not flower on water, but I just add something on it. Okay, yes, something. How to create this Disney style? You see, this drawing, it's a look like this period, Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck period, right? This period's drawing. Okay, very simplified lines, strawberry or candy, something like this. Okay. So just add something like this as a scenery. Okay. The water flow, water. Okay. So just making this compositions, okay, this character composition, something like that. So chalo, the next character is the anime. So these are the basic shapes. Today you are understanding when you creating the characters, you using this different shapes and all, and creating the character. Okay, that's the next steps. I go to the, okay, how to create that character shapes are, okay, simple. Your character is roundish or your character is a, you know, like a very not straight way, but yeah, either this character very sharp line. So character basically you can making this three different steps. One, it's roundish, or either you can make the corner also. Supposed to just make this in this video. This is done. Other people can go ahead to the next steps. Or take the 2 minute times, so I can go ahead to the next video. Okay, so file, save as JPEG. Week 4 session 1, week 4 step 1, step 1 or video 1 or 2, this is video 2, step 2, step video 2. Okay, so just save it so it is on the visible file, save as, and draw with this JPEG file. Okay. Week 4, classes. Step 3, step 2, video, save to documents. Chalo. So now this is, I just change the drawing. All of you finished? Can you share me this in WhatsApp so I just check it out? I of this